用 Instagram 咧，到底應該出幾多個 post 先至為之好呢？ Instagram 嘅老細咧回應呢條問題嘅時候咧，就用演算法嘅角度去回應。
But if you post not at all, like if you don't post for a couple months, that can also hurt your reach because this isn't on purpose, but our ranking system doesn't have any recent data to train on, and so it's knows less about who's interested in your content.
當你嘅 post 出得唔夠嘅時候咧，演算法咧就好似冇足夠嘅 data 話俾佢知，到底邊一啲嘅用戶先至喜歡你嘅 post。佢係好似每次都要撞下邊一啲人中意，咁當然嗰個撞唔中嘅機率就相對大咗。有人睇你嘅 post 就冇人去 like 你嘅 post， 整個系統就會覺得呢個人嘅 post 到底係唔係唔好嘅咧咁樣。但係如果你能夠恆常咁去出 post 咧，佢有足夠嘅數據，大概知道邊一類人喺特別喜歡你嘅 post 嘅時候，佢就可以穩步咁樣長遠慢慢幫你嘅內容揾得到喜歡睇嘅人，於是你整體賬戶嘅增長咧都會好好多嘅。所以恆常出 post 咧係我俾大家嘅一個重要嘅 tips。哪怕你係一個禮拜出一個兩個 post， 大家要明白咧，即使唔係因為呢個演算法原因，我哋出 post 咧都係一個喺用戶面前曝光，加上演算法嘅幫忙咧，你揾得到一啲啱你嘅人，經常提醒佢哋你嘅存在，你咁樣經營先至相對有一啲嘅價值嘅。